Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey here, and I have a little bit of sad news for you. Not too long ago, we put up an article talking about the iconic statue that's been on the boardwalk from at least the early 90s. For those who don't know, there's a statue up front outside of Mariner's Pier. You can kind of see it a little bit. There's a little bit of a sun glare. Well, unfortunately, we learned today it wasn't wind that damaged it. Now, Morey's Piers are actually taking it down completely. And unfortunately, it's not returning. Now, before I get into any kind of details and go through the history of it, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. So this is the statue that I'm referring to. Funny enough, while doing research for this video, it turns out not too many people actually noticed this statue. As far as I can see, this statue was built here in the early 1990s. Now, prior to this, when Morey's built this entire pier, because remember, it wasn't always Mariner's Landing or Mariner's Pier, it was Marine Pier. And when Morey's Piers took over, you can see how they have this archway over here on the left-hand side. Well, there used to be a different kind of archway and a different kind of statue out front. And to kind of compare on what that used to look like, imagine that archway, the way that they had it in that photo, and that's from 1978. That kind of took its place, and that other statue would have been somewhere over here in the middle. I would probably say right about here. Now, Morey's Piers retired that mascot and a couple other ones. If you remember, I think it was Hydro from the water park. They retired those mascots and they put and installed this brand new one right behind me. But Sunny, which is the character on top, one of the newest mascots from 2006, I want to say, he never used to be up there. Now, back in the old days, on the very top used to be a mariner holding onto a wheel. They also used to have the logo, right? Somewhere right here in the middle. Now, I want to say it was for the 40th anniversary, maybe a little bit earlier, maybe it was 2006 is where I'm kind of thinking that they redid this. They painted this as a beach ball, and they added Sunny on top on a tube, and he's waving. Hey, Sunny. Hey. And now, since it's Christmas time, we came up on the boardwalk one night to film the Ferris wheel because they have an entire light display, and we found foam like this blowing down the boardwalk. You can see this. You can see this piece right here, and we're trying to figure out what it came from. Now, this is what we stumbled upon. You can see the trash cans and caution tape. Now, like I mentioned earlier, not many people actually look up when they're walking. And so when I saw this damage, you can kind of see all the styrofoam everywhere. I looked up and that's where we saw Sunny was falling apart. Now, it wasn't until we posted that article and you guys started commenting and doing a lot of research and finally got in touch with someone who knew what was going on. It turns out that yes, they are removing it. Let me show you some videos of what it looks like because it's kind of strange. A, didn't know it was styrofoam, and B, I realize how big it is. Well, looking at it, checking out all of the rust and everything that looks like it's kind of cracking on, it looks like that the weather and Mother Nature really took its toll in there. And maybe Morey's Piers decided, you know what, it's time to say goodbye. And an update for the video that I'm currently filming. I came back the next day and you could see that they've removed the back part too. And it is 100% confirmed. They're getting rid of it and there's no plans on bringing it back. Goodbye, Sunny. We knew you well. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And a special thank you out to my Patreons on patreon.com. It's because of you guys I get to do fun videos like this. You too can support this channel. All you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, I'm Joey, live from the boardwalk. I'll see you on the beach. See you later. Bye.